Hey, what's up, people? So, as I said, we are gonna do the motovlogging video. So, I'm using KYT helmet, and then actually, I have been fixed a certain mic, that is Lavria mic, and then, as you all know, from the 3.5 jack to C type, which goes to the action camera. So, I will show you what is there inside this helmet, and then how we are going to set up. DJI Action 5, I mean DJI Action 5 camera, as well as DJI Mini mic. So let's get into the video, guys. So this is inside the mic. So here I have, as usual, kept the dead cat, and then the 3 mm jack is over here. So the mic goes from here. The mic is underneath the helmet. So now what we are going to do is we are going to fix our DJI mic here somewhere inside, and then the process is very simple. So I'll show you all how it is. This is inside my helmet. So I have cleanly placed the lavalier mic inside here, inside here. So it goes around like this, and then it comes. So here there is a dead cat, and then for wind protection, for wind noise protection, and then the 3 mm jack. Yeah. So now we are going to keep this as it is, and then fix the DJI Mini. So I have kept the dead cat here, if you all could see here, and the 3 mm jack comes this side. So you have to open this. This has to be opened up fully, so that, can you see this wire? The wire goes underneath here, and then we're going to fix it up here. So you need to keep the dead cat here. I have fixed it here. So this is how it is. I have fixed it over here, this one. So I want to keep this for emergency purpose. How I used to first wear this is, this comes the J mount here. The J mount goes like this, and then the action camera would be fixed. So once the action camera is fixed, you cannot plug in to this. Here the 3 mm jack you cannot plug in. Why? Because I'll show you all why. Because, can you see this one? You need to remove this. Once you remove this, there is no 3-pin jack. This is only C type. So that is where this comes in. The connector. Connect the 3 mm jack, and then you need to connect to the camera. So once you connect to the camera, it looks something like this. Can you all see? It will look something like this. A bit messier, but the work would be done. So you need to buy the connector, and then the 3 mm jack, but this wouldn't be waterproof. Why? Because you are removing this. So clearly the you can see this, the red color here, that's the water sealing, which would not let water to go into your camera. So when it rains or anything, you need to remove your camera, or you need to sacrifice your camera. So instead of that, we are only going to connect DJI Mini. This is where it comes in handy. So I'm going to keep this for emergency purpose. If in case the battery goes out or something like that, if it falls down, I'm not sure, right? I always think about second backup. So that is our second backup. So this one will keep it separate. So this is secure, so nobody would notice it also. So we'll keep it here. To fix this, you need to have the hook and loop tape. As you all know, it is called as Velcro. Rather than double tape, I'm going to use this. I'm going to stick it inside. I'm going to keep the Velcro here inside like this. I'm going to keep it like this, and then underneath this I'm going to keep the magnet, and top of that the mic would get stuck. That is a very simple installation. So I can't show it from inside. Once I'm done I'll show it from inside. So I'm just showing you how I'm going to do from outside. So let's do it. Rather than double tape, I think this would do. So something like this will stick. So I will stick it here. 1 second. Yeah, I have done the velcro thing here, if you could see, and this is the old mic, so just ignore this. So now if you could see, you can't, the magnet is not visible. So this is a DJI Mini. So when you keep it like this, it gets stuck, so it doesn't fall as well. Can you see this one? It gets stuck firm. This is shake tester. See, can you see the old mic? It is hanging here and there. Can you see the old mic? It's hanging here and there. But DJI, it is not that quite tough, but it can withstand the pressure, I believe. Yeah, it can withstand the pressure. So this is how my motovlogging setup is going to be. I'll do a ride test, how the wired mic feels and how the DJI Mini feels. So back and forth I will do a video of that. Yes. So guys, catch you on the road.